Good morning students. Today we discuss section formula. Now here let us consider here x axis and y axis. Okay. This is x axis. This is y axis. Now here let AB be any segment in xy plane. Let this point is A, this point is B, and AB is any segment in this plane, xy plane. Now here we know the distance formula. Okay, by using distance formula we can find out distance between A and B. How? Using the coordinate of A and the coordinate of B. But now here in this section formula we have to find out a point, a coordinate of points which lie between A and B. Suppose any point P, Q or any B. Suppose P be any point which cut this AB in the ratio m is to n. Suppose this point P cut this AB in the ratio m into n. So we can write here m into n. Okay. So here let A be any line and P is any point which is between A and B. But we don't know exact position of P. P is not midpoint of AB. P is any point on AB. Here the coordinate of A are given, the coordinate of B are given. Then we have to find out the coordinate of P. आता यामध्ये काय असतं आपल्याला की A चे कोऑर्डिनेट दिलेले असतात, B चे पण कोऑर्डिनेट माहीत असतात, दिलेले असतात आणि आपल्याला P या पॉईंटचे कोऑर्डिनेट काढायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे. मग त्यासाठी आपण काय करणार? लेट अस कन्सिडर हियर. आता सपोज या A चे कोऑर्डिनेट, द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A सपोज दिस आर x1 y1. Okay, and the coordinate of B are x2 y2. Let us consider that these x1 y1 are the coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B are x2 y2. Now suppose here we know the coordinate of A and coordinate of B. Now we have to find out the coordinate of P. Let x comma y be the coordinate of point P. Here coordinate of A are x1 y1, coordinate of B are x2 y2, and let x comma y be the coordinate of point P. Okay, and this P divide this line segment in the ratio m into n. Point P and P cut segment AB in ratio m is to n. समजा आता ह्या m आणि n या रेशोमध्ये काय करत आहे? कट करत आहे. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? याचे कोऑर्डिनेट काढायचे कशाचे? P चे. मग त्यासाठी काय करायचं? सुरुवातीला आपण एक लाईन पॅरलल काढू या y ॲक्सिसला आणि इथे सपोज एखादा पॉईंट घेऊ. कुठलाही पॉईंट आपण घेतला तरी चालतो. ठीक आहे. आपण इथे पॉईंट घेऊया C. ठीक आहे. यामधून B मधून एक पॅरलल लाईन काढली आपण. इथे पॉईंट दिला आपण हा सपोज दिस इज पॉईंट D. ओके. अँड या P मधून एक पॅरलल लाईन काढली y ॲक्सिसला आणि याला दिला आपण Q. ओके. दिस इज Q. दिस AC, PQ, BD. These three are parallel lines. Now here coordinate of C are. Coordinate जर आपल्याला C चे काढायचे असतील, x coordinate is x1, y coordinate is 0. Okay. Now coordinate of Q are x comma 0. Here coordinate of D are x axis वरचा कोणता? x2 आहे आणि y वर काय राहणार याचा? 0. These are the coordinate of point C, point Q, point D. Okay, and the ratio is here m is to n, which is here given. Now using distance formula. Okay, here we write coordinate of C x1 comma 0, coordinate of Q x comma 0, coordinate of D, that is x2 comma 0. Now here we have to find out distance between CQ. So CQ is equal to CQ. Now CQ is equal to x minus x1. Here x minus x1, because here y coordinate is 0, here x minus x1, using distance formula. CQ is equal to x minus x1. Now QD, what is the value of QD? QD is equal to x2 minus x2 minus x, using distance formula. Now by property of intercept of parallel line, here AC is parallel to PQ and PQ is parallel to BT. These three lines are parallel, and by using property of parallel lines, we can write here CQ upon QD. Okay, so we write here CQ upon QD is equal to AP upon PB. CQ upon QD is equal to AP upon PB is equal to, ratio is M is to N. Okay, which is given. Okay, now here the value of CQ is x minus x1. So we write here x minus x1. Value of QD is x2 minus x. So we write here x2 minus x is equal to, ratio is M upon N. Now by cross multiplication we get here n in bracket x minus x1 is equal to m in bracket x2 minus x. Now here n into x, that is nx minus n into x1, and x1 is equal to m into x2, mx2, m into x, mx. Okay, now put the value of x near. This is nx, this is mx. So we can write here nx plus mx is equal to, here mx2 plus nx1. Now taking x common, we have m plus n is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1. Now value of x is equal to, now here x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Okay, here x2 is the coordinate of x2. Here the coordinate is given. x1, this coordinate is also given. Value of m is also given. Value of n is also given, m plus n. So by putting all these values, we find out the coordinate of x. It is x. Okay, and this x is the coordinate of point P. Okay, this is coordinate of point P, x coordinate of point P. Okay, similarly we can find out okay, we can find out y coordinate by using same figure, but for y coordinate here we can draw in this manner here, and by using similarly we can put it here m of y2 plus n of y1 upon m plus This is the y coordinate for point P. Therefore, the coordinate of point P are the coordinate of point P are, these are x comma y, and the value of x is this, and the value of y is this. That is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is value for x, and y coordinate, that is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is value for y. And in this manner we can find out the coordinate of point P, which is lies on segment AB in xy plane, where the coordinate of A are given, the coordinate of B are given, and also their ratio is also given. This formula is known as section formula. Okay.